Back at it again with the Eclipse. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Rob with Extreme Performance. That's extreme with 3 X's. And today we're going to be changing the load control arm on the Eclipse. You see, long story short, had a situation happen where apparently one of my bolts for my lower control arm, the lateral one, came out and dropped the Eclipse down. Was not a pretty sight, no. You know, I will say the Eclipse did look nice lowered, but was not safe. So what I'm going to do is replace the one that's well, not missing, but that was kind of messed up. Now, I did kind of do something that was wrong. I replaced it with a bolt that does not fit. So that's just to hold it up until I actually got my little control arm. Now, usually when you do this, I suggest that you get both at the same time, but that was not in my budget, so I only got one. So I'm going to replace the one, then later on, replace both of them again, because I'm going to be getting some tubular ones. So, let's get this started. Now, like usual, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to break the lug nuts loose before we jack the car up, since I don't have an impact wrench. So, going to do that.
The Wicked?
Okay, and now that that's off, you can see that bolt right there is what I kind of replaced it with. Notice not all the way on. Definitely not safe. So I'm going to take that off. Now I'm going to take the rest of this. Gotta take this off. And then that one over there. Wait, where is it? Over there off. Also going to be doing some wiping down. So, hold on tight. Now you see we got that out. You look at it. Heck, even this piece is donezo. Look at that. Horrible looking, right? Now then, install the new one. Now then, take a quick comparison from the new one to the old one. Look at that. Bang. As you can see, this piece, good, donezo. Good, donezo. Alright, so basically putting the new one on is basically everything in reverse, with one exception, and I'm about to show you what. So, hang on tight. Okay, now that we did that, what I'm going to do is tighten down this bolt right here. As you can see, I have everything in. Nothing is tight yet, and this is why. Now, the reason why I didn't tighten everything down just yet is because a common mistake that people do is they'll tighten it prematurely, and it causes it to bind. What you want to do when you're putting on the lower control arm, especially that one for our Eclipses, is you want to have it in its natural resting position first, then you tighten it down. So I'm gonna go get to that, tighten everything down, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is what I meant by making sure it's in its natural resting position. You gotta make sure that the wheel is on. Then you wanna come down here, and then you're gonna tighten the bolts the rest of the way. So I'm gonna get that done, and that'll be it. Alright, so I'm back. Fresh cut, different shirt. You know, the battery died earlier, so I couldn't really finish filming everything. But as much as my slogan is with the whole life is too short to buy, life is too short to drive a boring car, so keep it extreme. Of course, at the same time, I also recommend keeping everything safe and making sure everything working, you know, properly with the suspension and whatnot. So, as the slogan goes, life is too short to drive a boring car, so keep it extreme.